assigning static or standard assessments and adaptive assessments as homework. Hello and welcome teachers to the Next Learning Platform tutorials. The objective of today's module is to learn how to assign static or standard assessments and adaptive assessments as homework. A teacher can publish various types of homework like pre-read, recommended read, practice exercises, and assessments. We know about these from the video How to Assign Homework using the various options on NLP. There are two types of assessments that a teacher can publish: standard assessment and adaptive assessment. A standard assessment has similar questions for all students appearing for the test. In adaptive assessments, different sets of questions are given to the students. These questions are assigned by the machine based on the learning capabilities of each student. This is possible because of the machine learning technology. Let us understand in detail how a teacher can publish a standard assessment for practice or evaluation to her students. Suppose I am a teacher, Geeta, and I want to publish a static or standard assessment as homework for the chapter Acids, Bases and Salts to my grade 10 students. I will sign in and go to the chapter summary page of the course. Now, click the chapter in which the static or standard assessment needs to be assigned. We will be directed to the course details page. Click the session in which the assessment needs to be assigned. Now click the Resources tab and click the Homework option. To add homework, click the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. We will be directed to the Homework Creation page. We can do this in another way by selecting the Homework tab on the Teacher Workspace dashboard and clicking the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Now, enter the homework title, objective, instructions, and learning outcome for the assessment being created. Then, scroll down and click Assessment to select a static or standard assessment. A pop-up box will appear. Here, based on what has been selected, the board, class, subject, and chapter name will be displayed automatically, and the available assessments will be shown under the tabs Next Education Resource, School Resource, and My Resource. We can select predefined practice tests from the Next Education Resources, or if we want to assign an assessment that has been created by us, click the My Resource tab. We will be able to see all the created assessments in the selected board, class, and subject. We can also sort the assessments based on the recent date of modification or according to their names, and even search for a particular assessment. If static assessments have already been created using Quick Assessment Generator and Collection Generator, those assessments will be displayed here, and we can select those as well. The steps to create static assessments using the assessment generator has been covered in the video Creating Assessments using the Collection tool. We can select a single assessment or multiple assessments at a time. After selecting the assessment, close the pop-up box. We will now be able to see the selected assessments under the Homework Resources section. Once the assessments have been added, we can delete the resource by clicking the three dots at the bottom right corner of the box. After this, click Next. On this page, we need to select the recipient. Choose from all students, group, or individuals. Refer to the video How to Assign Homework using the various options on NLP to understand how to fill the details to assign the homework to the recipients. Once details have been filled on this page, click Finish. The message Homework created successfully will appear at the bottom right corner of the screen. This means that the static or standard assessment is ready and has been published as homework to the students. Isn't this really simple and quick? You might be wondering how a teacher can ensure that students don't copy from any other source while taking the assessment. Next Learning Platform brings to you adaptive assessments, the perfect solution which will help teachers in this regard. Let us see how adaptive assessment is published in detail. Select any chapter from the chapter list. Click the session in which the homework needs to be assigned. On the left-hand side of the page that opens, we will be able to see two icons. Click the one that says Homework. Then click the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Add all the relevant details of the homework and select Adaptive Assessment. A pop-up box will appear with a list of concept-based adaptive tests. Click the drop-down arrow at the top right corner to select the chapter in which the assessment needs to be published. Different Smart Concept Test and Smart Chapter Test that are tagged to the chapter will now appear. We can select one or more than one at a time and close the screen. The test or tests will appear on Homework Resources section. What if an assessment is added by mistake? The solution is simple. Click the three dots on the concept test box and click delete. A dialog box will appear asking for confirmation and the resource will be deleted once confirm is clicked. Once the adaptive assessment has been added, click next. Complete all the details to assign the homework as we did for publishing static assessment. Choose the recipients, edit the submission and other dates and click finish. The message Homework created successfully will appear at the bottom right corner of the screen. We can check the homework published under the Resources tab in the Course Details page. In this video, we have learned the process of assigning static or standard and adaptive assessments as homework. Next Learning Platform makes it easy for teachers to assign assessments as homework. This helps teachers test the different abilities of students and also gives an idea of the extent to which they are able to link difficult concepts. Evaluating students and their understanding of different concepts can be made easy with the help of NLP. Happy teaching!